the spark plugs are here. We'll have to take this hose off, and then 3 more remain under this area intake manifold that we'll take off. We'll also take this part off and move it out of the way. To get this out of the way, push this tab over, lift up. Then for this one, also push the tab over, pull out. Now you have access to the front 3 spark plugs. To remove the connector, pull this red tab down and then press in on the black middle part. Also want to blow out this cavity. Make sure there's nothing in there. We'll use a special spark plug remover, 5/8 inch magnetic, to hold the spark plug and break it out with a breaker bar. We'll remove it with a ratchet. There's a spark plug. Next, we'll apply dielectric grease to the ignition coil and the spark plug. Now you only want it on the ceramic part. Apply the dielectric grease to the inside boot of the ignition coil. The new spark plug in by hand to make sure it doesn't cross thread. There are 3 more spark plugs underneath the upper intake manifold, so please see my video on how to remove that.